Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and the stock has done a complete transition, and we were watching it on July 5th that it hit a dip area for 2 days straight. And usually after these dip areas, whether they happen for a few days straight or in just one day, there tends to be a reversal, right? It's not guaranteed, but reversals are bound to happen, especially after hitting extreme weakness on 42 Vision, white with red borders. And we just saw a full transition here from the dip area to the rip area of bright green. It was very short lived, but when you see that dip area from 517 to the highs here of 638, nearly a 20% jump, and right now it's consolidating up here and trying to come back up to where that rip area was touched. And if it could break above those resistance levels, we may see newer highs, right? We also need to pull up the bull and bear indicators and look at different data points and what the charts are showing overall in the bigger picture. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities from the Discord today, from our SPY bot and QQQ bot. So the home run opportunities were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% plus, but our home runs were from our SPY bot and QQQ bot. And our SPY bot, since 7:05 a.m., sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up as it continued going up towards the bell and even after the bell, and they went up 100% plus within hours. And our QQQ bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m., slightly after the bell, and it continued going up with strength, and within hours call options were up 100% plus. Guys, if you guys want to receive this edge and clarity over the charts and get connected to our bots, as well as know what stocks we watch early on in the pre-market, get connected to our Discord. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with Rdbx stock, Redbox Entertainment Inc. As we stated earlier in the video, it hit a dip area. We talked about this on July 5th. We were looking for things to come back up, and we were looking for a bull indicator, right? In the process, I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators here, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx is under a bull indicator since yesterday at around 565. We're right now at 622, and the recent highs is 638, 639, give or take, right? So this bull indicator in the 30-minute chart has canceled out the previous bear indicator from way up here at 738. Now that's a whole dollar away, the recent highs from where that bear indicator popped up. So it definitely needs to get back up to those levels to definitely go ahead and cancel it out in the bigger picture and have further momentum to the upside. But why is the stock going up this fast, and why is it moving like this? Because it has moved from the dip to the rip nearly 20 to 25% plus in just 2 days, and 20% within this bull indicator popping up to the recent highs, right? And why? Why is this happening? Why is it moving like this? And it has to do with the fact that the short interest, yes, it still shows here 153%, but the days to cover just lowered. So this is giving flexibility to the shorts. Before, it was at 0.69. Now it's at 0.55. It lets them get in and out of their positions. And right now, it seems to me, based off the short shares availability, that some shorts have covered. Not a lot, but some of them have, because this was at 0 at the time of our previous recording. And why this matters is because it correlates to the days to cover being so low. So they could go ahead and recycle 1,000, then make it 0, then make it 1,000, and so forth, and they could go ahead and reshort their positions and then cover again back and forth, right? But right now the stock is pushing slightly higher, trying to hold itself above support. But another thing that I found interesting in the data was the whole entire borrow-free rate has been cut tremendously, nearly almost 20% from where it was at. It was at 800%. Now it's at 615. As this goes lower, that's going to go ahead and give more motivation to the shorts to go ahead and reshort and put more pressure on the short interest. So super important to realize, but this is still above 100%. Very interesting. And the short share volume has gone down a little bit. It's at 49% of the total day's volume. And you could see it here, how it was higher at 54 back a few days ago and 53 as well. And now it's at 49. So it's slightly going lower. So less short volume, but the short shares that are available keep jumping around. And right now this shows that somebody covered at least 1,000 shares. Like I stated, not a lot, but still it's something showing us the reaction that shorts are having and how it correlates to the reaction in the chart. So right now the key level is the support here of the day, the low of the day, 584. We definitely want to see this stay above that and then break above the 638, 639 range. The highs from today in the pre-market and yesterday's highs, super important because it rejected it not once, but nearly 4 to 5 times from yesterday's tries and today, right? Now above that, we want to get back up towards 760s and 730s, between that area where the last bear indicator popped up and this bull indicator. We want to see it hold up true and continue that upward transition back into the rip area within these bars, right? From dark green to bright green, like you could see right here, and continuation of further strength. Now, in the bigger picture though, the 4 hour is just starting to transition from white with red borders, a dip area, into red with green borders. It's tried this before and it comes right back down. We need this to shift into dark green and also a bull indicator that can cancel out this bear indicator in the process of a possible upward trend as it starts going higher and higher, right? Because we want to get back towards 9, back above 10, but these transitions are still a little bit weak. And also this transition here not going up steeply, if not kind of leveling off, is going to be a pivotal point and area for the bulls to go ahead and hold strong and for the shorts to try to bring it even lower. So super important to realize that. Now, in the bigger picture of the 1 day, you could see here, it's trying to level off after a steep downward trend of red bars. You could see this one's trying to come back up. We want to see this one turn into green and possibly a bull indicator in the process as well that can cancel out this bear indicator from way up here at $12.07. Those are the key things I'm watching right now on 42 vision on the 1 day, on the 4 hour as well, and on the 30-minute as we see it. Yes, we're under a bull indicator, and if I pull up the 15-minute, same thing, right? A lot of volatility. It's been under a bull indicator, and right now we want to see this bull indicator hold true and continue to push up higher, break above 630s, get back up towards 640s, and continue the upward momentum and not get canceled out by a bear indicator once again, and that this 30-minute can continue to hold strong. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.